Hello everyone! So I got some questions on how to play on my server. I took for granted the fact that some of the things that I have done 1,000 times in order to set up mods on Minecraft, some people have never done, so they don't know how to do it, and that's okay. That is my fault for assuming that it could be done real fast. So it's pretty simple. I'm going to take you through the steps real quickly. First off, we need to just jump onto the internet. Just go Minecraft Forge. And it's typing at the top of the screen. Let me just pull that down so you can see what I am typing. So you just type in Minecraft Forge. I don't know why I won't put it there, but that's fine. So you go to Minecraft Forge, and it's going to be the first link, which again you can't see because of my face. You're going to click on that Minecraft Forge link, first link there. Click, and it's going to take you here. I'm going to wait for it to. So if you're on Windows, you're going to do Windows installer. So you're going to download that. If you're on Macintosh, I don't know how to do it. I don't use a Macintosh, so I know that the steps are a little different. There's plenty of other videos on YouTube on how to do that. I highly recommend that you check those out. You're going to click the installer. Do not click anything on this page except for up at the top. You'll see it says like your download's ready. This is an advertising spam thing. Do not click this. Do not click this at all. Up at the top, you're going to wait for it to say skip. Click the skip button, and then it's going to start downloading. Oops. It's going to start downloading down at the bottom, and it's like a really small file anyway, so it's really not that big a deal. I'm going to put this back, and then we're going to go. And then what's going to happen is after you download, you're going to have this folder, Forge 1.12.2. Do they even have, actually, we're going to go back. I don't think they even, yeah, so right now we only have 1.12.2, which is really important to note. Minecraft right now, as it is today, which is November 10th, 2018. November 10th, 2018, Minecraft has the 1.13 release of the game. There's Minecraft. There's Minecraft. Minecraft is right there. They have the 1.13 release of the game, which mods do not work on. Right. So the latest released 1.13.2. Mods don't work on it. It is too new. None of the mods are updated for it. The loading system, the Forge loading system, does not work on it. So we have to make sure that it works on here. So what we're going to do before we even install Forge, we're going to go Launch Options. We're going to go Add New right here. I've already added it, but we're going to add new. You can do something like this where it's like server settings or like mod settings, something like that. Basically what you're doing is you're creating just another way to open Minecraft, and you can go which release you want to do. You can do like real legacy. You can go back all the way down to like release number 1, which is crazy. I don't even know what features they don't include in that. That is a long time ago. But we're just going to go to 1.12.2. This is only like, I want to say like 6 months ago, not even, maybe a year ago that this release came out. It's really not that big a deal, but all the mods are set up for that. So you're going to click on that. You're going to click save. I'm not going to click save because I've already created it. I'm going to click cancel. See, I've already created it. Server settings 1.12.2. And then over here, again, I've got 3 of them because I've already installed Forge, but you can see the server settings 1.12.2. It is right there for you. So once you have that, once you have created that, you're going to close with this. You're going to go Forge. It's going to open up. Just going to wait for it. You're going to click Install Client, and it's going to already be on the right folder. Going to click OK. It's going to install. It takes, I don't know, 15, 20 seconds. It really doesn't take that long. Maybe you have like a really old computer. Then you'll open up Minecraft. Open up Minecraft. You'll hit this. You'll see a Forge version. So you'll see latest release Forge and then like whatever the settings that you just created. The Forge one should say 1.12.2. That should be fine. You'll click on that and you'll click play. You have to load up the game at least once under Forge in order for this next step to work. So this part takes a little bit. Anytime now. Anytime. Just get to look at my cool background of Magic the Gathering's Liliana Vess. Come on. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. So it's going to load up. You just wait until this loads. When it gets to the main menu, then you'll exit out and you're fine. Oh, I should actually tell you about this because so my computer has 8 gigs of a RAM, 8 gigs of memory, so I have the ability to do this. I don't know. I know that some of your computers are not going to be powerful enough to put it to 4 gigs, and I'll show you how to do that. If it's going to let me close out, it might freak out on me. It's not going to even let me close it, is it? There we go. Okay, so I'm going to open up Minecraft real quickly. So if you have like 8 gigs of memory, what you can do, you can go to Launch Options, you can go Advanced Settings. Oops. Okay. Advanced Settings, go to Forge, and down here at JMV Arguments, it's going to default off. You're going to turn this on, and the very first number right here is going to be 1. I changed it to a 4, which is going to give it access to 4 gigabytes of memory, which just allows it to run cleaner. If you can push that to 2 or 4, I highly recommend it. If you can push it to more, I'm sure that's better. I wouldn't go above half of the RAM that your system actually has. I have 8, so I really don't want to go above 4 just because I'm not comfortable with it. And I'm also not too tech savvy. I'm aware of how to do this process, but there's some other people that might have a little bit better skill at that. Now, for our next step, we're going to go down here. If you have Windows 10, you can just type in the search bar app data, and it's going to find, oops, let me type it again, app data, and it's going to find the app data folder, and we're going to open that up. Nope, come on. Oh, no, doing it wrong. Let's try it one more time. App data. Folders. Okay, so we're going to actually click on the folder here. That's going to open up here. What the heck? That's the wrong folder. What am I doing wrong? App data. Okay, so there's another way to do this. We're going to do it the other way because the other ways you can go %, app data, %, and this is going to give us access to this folder. Let me pull this down so you can see it. App data, keep typing deep. This folder. Let's open up this folder. There we go. Okay, so this is the right folder. It's under roaming. If it says roaming up at the top, you know you have the right one. There's a .minecraft folder, and you open that up. This is all of the Minecraft files and information. This is all of the stuff that runs Minecraft. So this is all very important. The one folder we're going to care about is the mods folder. After running Forge once, you'll have an empty mod folder, which is perfect. That's exactly what we want. You'll open up the mod folder. It'll be empty. That'll be great. So this will all be empty. We're going to go over, and actually, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And you know what? Minecraft, we're going to go mods, and we're just going to go delete. I don't need any of these. So this is what you're going to have. You're going to have an empty, empty mod folder. Then, so what you're going to do next, you are going to go on to Discord. Let me find. I already have Discord open. So I've got Discord open, and we're going to go to my server, which has all the fun stuff in server. We're going to go down to the current mod list, and I have a link to download all of the mods that are running on my server. So I'm going to click that. It's going to download. Oh, up here. It's up here. Download. So it's going to download this zip folder. It's going to try. It's loading, 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 loading. Come on. I don't know why it's taking so long. This should be super quick. The other thing that I'll mention just real quickly, I have, so if this link for any reason isn't working for you, I actually just have this entire list and links of all of the mods that I'm running. I want to say it's like 22 different mods. The zip folder has all of them in it, so it's just really convenient to be able to just go click, download, done, you know. But if for any reason there's a problem, you can just download them all individually. Again, the link to get to my Discord is in the description, so you just can click on the description. That should be just fine. There we go. Finally, it's downloading. Okay, so it's downloading. I believe that it's about 60 megabytes for the full thing. So we're just gonna wait. See, it's real. Once it finally starts downloading, it's actually really quick. 64.7 out of 64.7. We're almost there. Come on, anytime now. Sometimes it's weird, like whenever it's downloading something, I've noticed that like it'll get fully downloaded, but it just takes like the longest part sometimes is finalizing the download, so I'm just waiting for it to finalize and be ready for me to click on it. And this part is like the most frustrating part, knowing it's so close but just not being able to download it. Or just not being able to mess with it. Come on, almost there. So it's still got that orange ring around it. We're just waiting for that to finish up. Come on. Come on. I click show in folder, what will happen? Why is it not finishing? Come on, just finish already. I apologize. You might have to wait through this too, so whatever. So I noticed I'm going to ask, so we've got is it right over here. I tried to join but got another error message. What was the error message you got? So maybe I can address that here as well since I'm doing this video at the same time. I'm also live streaming. I live stream pretty constantly. Durwood773 here on YouTube as well as on Twitch pretty commonly. I usually do speedruns of Super Mario and very excited to now be doing Minecraft as well. Come on. One second. Why is that not? So I'm going to check what the error message was. Oh, yeah. Okay. So actually, so this is really important. I'm going to bring this up real quickly. So this error message, if you get this error message, what this means is that the mods are not installed on your specific client. So this is actually what we're working on right now, is making, if you get this error, this is kind of a good error. It just means that you haven't done a step, and that's fine. all of these mods that I've added, it says like requires this, but mod is not found on client, which means your specific program that is running, which is fine. As soon as this server, why won't this download? Oh my god, you're ruining my video download. Do you not understand that? Do you not understand that? Um, anyway, maybe like a bunch of people are trying to download it right now because I'm live and everyone's like, "Oh, that's how I do it." Download, download, download. We're trying to download. Start another download. See what happens. There might be something that's glitched with this one that it won't download. Oh, no, there we are. All right, perfect. So it's downloaded. Awesome. Okay. So then you're going to take this. There we go. So you're going to find the zip folder. We're going to pull this out here just so it's easier to work with. You're going to go extract files to server mods. So what that's going to do is if you've got 7-zip, it's really easy. It's going to extract it here. Where did it go? Oh, here it is. It's right here. It'll extract it to a folder, which is great. So here is all of the mods already ready to go. And we're going to go open up our empty mods folder. We're going to grab all of these and we're going to just drop them right in there. Ta-da! Okay, and we're going to close this. So now these are in the mod folders. These mods are now installed. Awesome, that is exactly what we want. We're going to go back to Minecraft. And we are going to go start up Forge. And it's going to take a minute. It's going to take just a minute for that to load up. So then it has to go through the process of, it goes through this 7-step process here. This takes ungodly long at like 120 seconds or something like that. Sheep Crazy, thank you so much for subscribing. I believe that's a follow over on Twitch. I really appreciate that. And you're asking, can I play with you? Absolutely. Right now I'm recording. This is a video that I'm recording for YouTube. I am also live streaming me recording this video. I'm going to put this on YouTube. This is an instructional video on how to play on my server with me. You're more than welcome to join us and play as well. You know, just be a respectful person on there, and that's all I ask. Gabe, for Is It Right? Is It Right asks, I have a Mac, how do I do this? That I don't know. I'm very sorry, I don't have a Mac, so I don't know where that folder is to put the mods into. I assume it's a similar process, but I don't know the exact answer. What I would recommend is go onto YouTube. I'm sure there's someone that has made a video on how to do it with a Mac to get that folder. Once you find that folder, you can download the zip and install those same mods. I assume. I believe that they are all Mac compatible. We're still this process again, ungodly long for an instant reality world that we live in. Recording. So while this is going, the other thing is on the Discord, on my Discord server. So we're over here on the Discord server. If you go down under Minecraft General, scroll up all the way to the top, this is the server address, s11.hosthorde.com:26985. So that is how you can link to my server. We're going to use that in just a second, but I just wanted to point that out to save time while this is loading up. Again, if you didn't hear before, I do have a link to my Discord below that'll take you right here, so that you're able to log on. Okay, so we're gonna go multiplayer. Scanning for games on your network. Oh, duh, it doesn't find it. I haven't set it up yet. So we're gonna go direct connect. We're gonna go server address, and then it's this server address. Let me see if I can just copy and paste it. It would be really nice if I could just copy and paste it. I can, just Control-C, Control-V. We're gonna go, you know what, we're not gonna direct connect, we're gonna go add server. We're gonna go copy and paste that. Minecraft server, does not matter the name here, this is for your information. I am gonna put the land of Durwood, because that very easily explains to me what's going on, and there it is. Then you just click join server and you are ready to go, and then we can all play together, and I'm super excited to do that. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments below, or just simply jump onto my Discord server. I will be happy to help you through the process, or there may be someone else in there that can help you. Is it right? I'm sure is a very smart person and will figure out how to do it on on Mac. Once they figure it out, I'm sure they can help you, and I'm volunteering him for work. That being said, thank you all so much for watching this video. I am going to continue streaming, but thank you so much, and I hope to see you on my server very soon. Bye-bye.